Yo, what's up mga boss? For today's video ay ipapasilip ko sa inyo yung SBR naman natin, no? So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo ang anak ng authentic ko na Super Brown Red Class A from Mount Banahaw Game Farm. So bago yan, intro, pasok.
Got a hunger inside of me, a flame ignites entirely. I work daily quietly to build a perfect dynasty, a place where my mind is free from the chains of society. I take all anxiety and turn it to the finer things. Oh, don't take it slow, I got these places to go. I wanna grow, I wanna be something more, a different mode. I'll hit if I gotta go, cause I got something to show the world that one day will know. You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me.
Disclaimer. No animals were harmed in the making of this video.
So ayan guys, bago tayo mag-start na ipakilala sa inyo yung anak nito, ang ating authentic Super Brown Red Class A from Mount Banahaw Game Farm. So ito po yung tatay. Yan guys, so ngayon ipapasilip ko sa inyo yung anak niya guys. So tara, let's go. So ito guys, ayan, medyo maputik dito guys, kaya ayan, maputik kasi umulan, tapos may kasama pang ash ng volcano. Ito siya. Then ito naman yung pangalawa guys. Super Brown Red guys, Class A po ito, at ito po ay pure guys, pure po yan. Pati yun, magkapatid po ito guys, 6 months old. Ito guys, ito pa. Ayan yung ating Super Brown Red na mga pure. 6 months lang yan sila guys, 6 months. Pero matured na po at talagang may gameness. So short video lang tayo guys kasi medyo masama yung panahon dahil po sa volcano eruption. Ayan po, kung mapapansin nyo, napaka usok dito. So may kasama po yung ash ng volcano. Ito naman yung pullets guys. Ayan po sila, gutom na. Mga pure po yan guys. Wala pong cross dyan. Yan guys, so kung may mapapansin kayo guys, halos lahat sila straight comb. Yan po guys, so ayan, so halos lahat sila straight comb at diring-diri sila sa putik guys. Ayan. So, yan lang ang update natin para sa ating mga Super Brown Red. Alright. So, yun lang guys. At maraming salamat sa mga bagong subscribers. At syempre, ingat tayo guys kasi tignan nyo yung sitwasyon dito. Wala kayong makikita.